Walking on the Cotai Strip. Casinos, casinos, casinos. MGM Casino, Wynn Palace Casino, Lisboa Palace Casino, casino. Casinos, 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 casinos. Walking down the Cotai Strip, the Cotai Strip, the Cotai Strip of casinos. Just walking down the beautiful Cotai Strip.
Okay, so this is MGM. Our street that we're going to be doing is Tiro Street, which is right over there going towards the Lisboa. That's the Grand Lisboa Palace. That's Wynn Palace Casino. And then yeah, this one right here is MGM. So I'll explain it all, but let me just put this up on the map first. I guess I can also show you another one. There's Studio City over there as well. And Island Hospital. I'll tell you all about it. Let me put it up on the map. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, so now you saw it on the map. We're basically in something called the Cotai Strip. I'll explain that. Yeah, so there's Studio City right there. This is part of, this is a train station that they built that goes through the Cotai Strip area. That's an arena over there, the East-West Asia Olympic Games area. There's even like a little tennis street, stuff like that. They have sports, like a sports street, but they call it tenis in Portuguese. T-E-T, emphasis of the E and then S-I-N. Okay, so this one, the airport's way over there. We're gonna be crossing the street first, and our target street is directly this way. And let me explain a little bit of this. This is more wide boulevards because all of this is on reclaimed land. So Cotai Strip is what all these casinos refer to. There's MGM in all of its beauty. Let me just kind of see if I can get across the street. This is a little bit of a challenge to go across. We have the right of way, so okay. He just shined his light to show me, tell me that I'm safe to go across. So Cotai Strip is basically the median between Cotai Island and Taipa. So it means Cotai means it's like the two syllables of both islands coming together. Cotai Strip, the strip of land between Kolawan Island, which was behind us, and Taipa, which is ahead of us. So that green trees over there, that is kind of the original Taipa, and all of this is reclaimed land that we're on. And that's one of the monuments to Macau right there, MGM. And yep, and that's all Kolawan Island. You can't see it anymore, but that is also like more hills and mountain kind of stuff. There's the train station right there, East Asia Games. Over there you can see Wynn Palace Casino. I should probably walk over there. Maybe I will. That's Grand Lisboa Palace. So our street goes directly down this way. It's a big, wide monumental looking street. Let's see if we can even get across here. There's our sign right over there. Tiro. I'll never be able to walk over there because it's in the middle of the median over there. There's no sidewalk, it's too dangerous. But right there it says Rua de Tiro, right there in white. And now this one just goes all the way down, and I think I definitely have filmed it before, and I think and it's much more beautiful at nighttime, to be honest, but the camera can't really capture it very well at night. These little GoPro cameras, these little action cameras, they kind of like, they don't really have good lighting for that. Okay, so let me just kind of keep on going down. Now we're going directly towards Grand Lisboa Palace. As somebody is capturing it like I am. Let's go this way. And then this one has many different entrances. It's like almost like octagon shape. So I think there's like entrances on every corner. So you can see one this way, facing this way, but there's also one that way, and it's designed that way. Wynn Palace, I guess that's not really that interesting. That one's probably the best one, especially at night. MGM has a lot of, if you watch some other videos about it, you can see all the artwork collection that they have in there. It's pretty impressive. Okay. So let's keep on going down this way. Yeah, this is kind of becoming a big popular boulevard to walk down. I feel like the casinos, they probably should utilize some of the space. Like that casino is so far removed, but if it was closer, you know, people would probably walk in, especially when it's hot in the summertime. Beautiful landscaped trees. And Studio City, I guess, sorry, over there it's called Lisboeta. There's another one over there that has indoor skating, what's that called? Parachuting, when they parachute. There's MGM. Okay, I guess there is an entrance right here. So Tiro just keeps on going down. And I think I'm gonna follow this group into this a little bit. Wynn Palace, there we go. Oh, guy came out of the bushes there. So I started hearing some of the music in this space. That'll affect the video. Huh. I didn't know they had this big green space. Sometimes they hold events here. Huh. It's good that they have that. It's kind of inviting for people. The grass looks really nice. There's Wynn Palace right there. Okay. Gives you that casino experience. Here's the beauty of the MGM. Let's see. Okay. Well, I didn't really expect to be doing this particular walk. I guess what I'll probably do then is I'll just walk over there to the dragon and just capture that. So we'll still label it accordingly, Tiro. We didn't quite go down the full street, but we are getting a sample of Wynn Palace. And let me see here. So I think what's gonna happen is we're gonna have to navigate. Oh, they're gonna probably push people into the casino. Yeah, so there's gonna be no way for me to go. I'll highlight a little bit inside. Okay, so we're inside the casino. I'm not gonna film too much because sometimes some of the casinos will tell you to delete the film or whatever, even though you're not in the casino part, still on property. But there's lots of people with cameras taking pictures, so I'll just kind of be careful. So I'm going, but this is what it looks like inside, and then I'll try to go back outside again and go around to the dragon park. So we're inside the casino. Lots of people will take pictures of these things in the corner of these casinos, and we're just gonna head out the door. So we're gonna go out this way. Okay, so we just came out along that way. That's Lisboa. That's the street we were on. That's that one with the skylines, Lisboeta. And I'm gonna get away from that music. Okay, so now we're coming up in front of the casino. Here in Lisboa, you can also see the fountain. You gotta watch out for the music. Okay, so now we're up front. So okay, you can see the train line, and got the dragon. gonna watch out for the music. Okay. So you can see all those all of these. And our target street was down that way, so I'm gonna walk back towards that way. But anyways, that's a little slice of what it looks like around here. Okay, so there we are, a little bit from a distance. So that's Wynn Palace. There's Boa Palace. There's the East Asia Games. That's MGM. And these all look even a lot better when the lights go down a little bit more. But we're not at that time spot, we're at this time spot. And I'll end it up there by the street and we'll conclude for Rua de Tiro. Okay, so this will be our concluding spot. And Rua de Tiro was our target street. We didn't go all the way down to the end. If we did, we'd just be walking past that big, large casino. I don't know how interesting that would have been. But you do get a sense of this particular street. Plus you get a sense of Wynn Palace as well, of this one. And then you get to see a little bit of there's a train going by. Then in the background somebody is testing out their sports car, I guess. We'll end it right there.